Today, we are proud to introduce Young-im Cho, the professor of the University of Suwon. She has spearheaded the University Industrial Technology Force, or UNITEF, with collaboration from academic and industrial sector, hoping to improve the competitiveness of Korean SMEs. She has also used her experience and IT background to help lead the first smart city project, which is ready to reach out to the global market. Now, let's allow her to recount her success story as a female leader in IT Korea. Professor Cho, as a chairwoman of University Industrial Technology Force, you've been committed to strengthening the competitiveness of Korean SMEs. For start, can you give us a brief introduction of UNITEF?
Yes, UNITEF means University Industry Technology Force. UNITEF was founded in 1996. At the beginning, only 500 persons were united, but now the members enlarged to 600 persons, including expert industry as well as professor working in IT or engineering department. I think this is our main manpower. Our aim is to assist or strengthen the competitiveness of many industrial companies, especially small or medium-sized companies, as a mentor. Actually, we have many industry assistant programs. For example, mentoring program, industry and university, and the researcher or expert, and the government employee networking program. And another program is industry-specific R&D program, and etc. Also, we publish the UNITEF journal regularly. At the journal, we introduce the excellent patent and achievement or excellent laboratory to share each other. Now we have a technology upbringing program for young boys and girls. Annually, 50 professors assist to realize the young boys and girls fresh technical idea. It is well-known program to the young boys and girls for university admitting. Thank you.
You've been known as UCT expert in Korea. So what is your definition of UCT?
Yeah, UCT is the ubiquitous technique-based city, you know. Now, anytime, anywhere, any place, anyone, we can access website very freely, as well as the information retrieval. We can book anytime. There is a ubiquitous city concept. We are now living in the ubiquitous society. It is very important to know that there are 4 types of viewpoint in ubiquitous computing. First aspect is the computing paradigm. The technology is changed from static community to automatic community. And second aspect is technical principle. The technology is changed from situation aware to self-growing to self-growing. Let me introduce about the situation awareness technology. Situation aware means that computer can aware the situation of users and act appropriately. For example, when I leave from my office, after that there is any call in my absence, the system find my location and then forward the call to my current location. However, if I am in another meeting, so in this case, the system save the call as a voice message. This is a scenario of situation awareness. Also, another aspect is the application domain. This technology is changed from healthcare to environment preservation. And finally, the aspect is the application area. The technology is changed from home or building. Now the concept is going to smart city to two concepts are very similar, ubiquitous city and smart city. The concepts are very similar, but there are a little difference between ubiquitous city and the smart city concept. In smart city, intelligence degree is more emphasized than ubiquitous city. Generally, a smart city is called as a post-ubiquitous city. It is also important to know that why smart city is necessary nowadays. It is for maximizing the utilization and functionality of space, as well as increasing the value of city. Also, it is for providing better quality of our life. For that, linking the city internationally is very important. Nowadays, the environment of our life is very important. So, reducing many kind of pollution is another goal of this smart city. Sorry, and among many application area of ubiquitous and smart city is constructed by ubiquitous technology. For example, RFID, USN, and IPv6, and etc. The example of ubiquitous city is, Dongtan U City, Sangam U City, and Pangyo U City in Korea. Now many U City is constructing now. Also, finally, there are three important issues to the smart city. So first is that the most important issue is the infrastructure of smart city. For example, platform and the security and the service scenario and etc. And the second important issue is that the paradigm of a smart city, such as role play between government and local government. And finally, the important issue is that the consulting to have best service model according to many types of organs and business models and etc. Thank you.
UNITEF is Korea's first U-City developer and has made a remarkable achievement by serving as a mentor for startups. Can you tell us more about this?
As a mentor, when I was a leader of Ubiquitous Pyeongtaek City project, the city was received a big prize from the government. And nowadays, recently, a company which is a small size company was accepted a big project from the government in this year. As a mentor, I supported this plan to design the U-City or smart city. So now I am a member of President Council of National IT Strategy. The council effort to develop or design the excellent smart city or service for the citizens' well-being life.
Lastly, can you tell us your philosophy on IT economics?
Yes, I think IT is definitely an important philosophy to have well-being life. I think IT is not just a technique, but a human being emotion. Therefore, in the future, IT is going to develop the softness as well as warm techniques. So artificial intelligence technique will be upgraded in the future. I think so. Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking time to speak with us today. It was a great pleasure to learn how you have contributed to the strengthening of global competitiveness of Korean SMEs and the realization of Korean U-City project with your IT background. Now I'm confident that in the near future, the Korean U-City industry will lead the global market.
Thank you very much.